Got something that's broken? I can help with that. I'm FixBot. I can figure out what's wrong and how to fix it in record time. You can ask me for help with anything. Instant guidance with visual schematics, professional guides, and expert troubleshooting tips. And if your hands are busy,
Hey FixBot, I drained the oil, but I can't seem to find my oil filter. Where is it?
you are looking for a small cylindrical filter located under the car towards the front of the engine block on the passenger side.
Got it.
Mom, the speaker's broken.
You can use pictures to help FixBot understand what you're working on and what you're seeing. I see you're holding a Bluetooth speaker, and it looks like a Boom 3 model. What part of it are you trying to fix or figure out?
How do I pair the speaker to my phone?
Press and hold the small Bluetooth pairing button near the power button until you hear a tone and the LED flashes rapidly. FixBot has the knowledge base of over 20 years of repair experts. With over 100,000 repair guides, step-by-step instructions are just a prompt away.
I'm trying to reattach the display. I've got some screws here and I'm not sure where they go.
Let me check the exact screw placements for reassembling your iPhone 15 display. For reassembly, this means placing the front sensor connector cover back where it was and securing it with that 0.9mm tri-point Y000 screw. Hands-free guidance, visual analysis, and instant access to the world's repair knowledge. FixBot by iFixit.